Hello world, this is Mike Pierre, and today I'm going to show you how to create classes and use setters and getters and basically access the class. So technically what we're going to do is call it class math. Okay, you can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it math because I'm dealing with simple addition. So technically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create two private variables called A and private B. Don't know why I said C, but okay. So technically, right here, private is meaning that it's only accessible within the class. However, this is where people get confused, and my best recommendation for you is just do more research. Use your favorite search engine to find out what private, protected, and public means. So technically, I'm gonna create setters and getters, also known as accessors and mutators. Setters and getters sound more better. Also, it's a little confusing because setters and getters sound almost the same kind of. But whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna create two methods, also known as functions. So I'm gonna call this public function, and then I'm going to call this set math, right? Well, I'm gonna call it set numbers addition. Could be a better name, but whatever. Open curly brace, close curly brace. Okay. And now I'm gonna pass the two parameters, which is A and B. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is call this A. Okay. Plus gets A plus, well, no. Call it this A, okay, and then I'm gonna call it this B gets A. Oh, B obviously. Okay. Now I'm gonna have public function get numbers addition. So I'm gonna return this A plus this B. Okay. Now I want to access it. So what I'm gonna do is, assuming I was in a different page, but I'm at the end of the class, I'm gonna call the math class. So calling the math class, I'm gonna say math gets new math. Okay. Now, see, I'm gonna put things up because my screen is a little bit low. So math set numbers addition. So I'm gonna put 2 and -5. Okay, now I want to call that we'll call echo math get numbers addition. Now what I'm going to do is run this program, and the results was -3. So now you see how to create a class, create setters and getters, calling the class, setting your numbers, and getting your numbers. This class can be reusable in any type of object-oriented program that's going to deal with math. If I were you, I would just practice, probably use subtraction, multiplication, division, or just be creative. That's all you have to really do. Just get this structure, play with the private, public, or protected when declaring variables within a class. There's more to it. This is the basics of object-oriented programming, and I hope you enjoy. Also, one thing I want to explain is documentation. This is where documentation comes in really handy. So I might as well just show it to you now. Um, you want to document every method that you make. So um, I suggest you read into it, but I'll just show you a quick example. So this method name is set numbers addition. Addition method, and then you can say this method stores, well, sets the numbers to be added, and then you want to put at param, okay, because these are parameters, a, and then you say what a is at param, b, because when you using a documenting software, it's gonna read it what you're writing just like this at param, and now there's a difference. So for get numbers, this is gonna be at return, and so technically it's gonna look like this a little bit. Well, let me just get some space right here. So get numbers addition method, and then we're gonna put at return, and then the final solution to the numbers being added. That would work out. Yeah, and this is how you would document. Well, I hope you learned something in this video. Have a good day.